Introduce features interest for HONGO 100% sRGB portable monitor 15.6-inch, metal frame second monitor, FHD 1080p HDR IPS computer screen with USB-C HDMI dual speakers. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Thinner than your phone 15.6-inch all-metal frame monitor, only 0.15-inch slim, 100% sRGB, IPS frosted screen ratio up to 92%. Net weight 1.4 pounds makes it extremely easy to carry for daily traveling or on a business. It can also be used in bed, kitchen, or outdoor. Support various ports. You just need to use the included cables when your device has a data USB-C or HDMI port. When your device has a Lightning/Mini DP/DP/Mini HDMI port, you also can use the Lightning/Mini DP/DP/Mini HDMI to HDMI adapter and the included cables to work well. Compatible with all systems, no need to install any driver, compatible with most of smartphones, PCs, laptop and tablet models. This display is also compatible with gaming devices such as Switch/PS4/PS3/Xbox. Adjustable case and dual speakers. The portable monitor has a adjustable folding magnetic cover, supports it firmly to prevent from falling and protects the screen when not in use. Built-in dual speakers produce a loud and clear stereo sound. All accessories equipped. Best high-end business gifts for your family and friends as birthday/Christmas/New Year gifts. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.